Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Web3Auth SDK demo for login setup, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with downloading the Web3Auth SDK demo, visit the official Web3Auth website. Look for the download section on the homepage. Click on the link that directs you to the SDK demo. You will see various options for different platforms. Choose the option that best suits your development environment. Once you select your platform, you'll find the download link. Click on the download link to begin the downloading process. The SDK will typically be available in a compressed file format. Locate the downloaded file in your system's download directory. Extract the contents of the compressed file. Open the extracted folder to find the demo files. Next, you'll need to set up your development environment. If you haven't already, ensure you have Node.js installed. Once Node.js is installed, navigate to the demo folder using the terminal. Run the command to install the dependencies required for the demo. After the installation is complete, you can start the demo server. Use the command provided in the installation instructions to start the server. Once the server is running, open your web browser. Enter the local server address in the browser's address bar. This should bring up the Web3Auth demo interface. You can now explore the demo and begin integrating the SDK into your application. Make sure to refer to the documentation for additional configuration options. That concludes the download and setup process for the Web3Auth SDK demo for login setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.